Psychological facts about girls. Stimulating a woman psychologically increases her chances of reaching orgasm. Many women worry about their appearance during sex. When a woman stares at you after explaining herself, she may be questioning your honesty. Women are more responsible for romance when their stomachs are full. Women are more attracted to men wearing blue, while men are more attracted to women wearing red. Women spend over 4 years of their lives menstruating. Women use silence to express pain. Intelligent women may have a harder time finding a mate and may prefer to remain single. If a girl likes you, she may play with her hair while talking to you. A percentage of married women and men cheat on their spouses. The male brain is larger, but the female brain works more efficiently. Couples who wait 3 to 4 years before marriage are less likely to divorce. A busy, goal-oriented woman is more attractive than one who waits for validation. Women argue more with someone they care about. Women are more influenced by a man's sense of humor than his looks. Using creams during foreplay can intensify stimulation. Women speak at a higher pitch when attracted to a man. Women are attracted to men who initiate and remember details about them. Silence can express pain for women. Appreciating a partner's smell can increase love. Women have more taste buds than men. Some women accept dates for free meals. Girls don't like being stared at unless they are interested in you. Girls selflessly invest in those they care about. Women experience higher desire and arousal during ovulation. Women are less likely to take risks than men. Women take longer to fall in love than men. Many women admit to considering affairs if they could get away with it. The female mind is better at reading body language than men. Women spend a lot of time deciding what to wear. Sex can be wonderful for women in their 40s. Women's sex drive is easily affected. Women are better at reading faces and gestures. Women are more susceptible to depression. Women often blame themselves for negative situations. Women's brains activate emotions in response to pain. Women in their 40s are attracted to successful businessmen. Women appreciate men who listen. Women don't always need answers, just someone to be there. Women experience more nightmares and emotional dreams. Body language indicates attraction. Cultural nuances are important in intimacy. Female sexual desire peaks at 22. Understanding female complexity improves intimacy. Psychological stimuli during sex are crucial for female pleasure. Initial impressions are based on verbal and non-verbal cues. Sexual preferences evolve after 40. Adaptability and mutual understanding are key for intimacy. Signs your ex-boyfriend will eventually come back. After a breakup with someone you love, it's natural to wonder if it's truly the end. It can be difficult to determine whether your ex-boyfriend still has feelings for you or if he's moved on. However, there are certain signs that might indicate whether he's likely to come back. Here are 7 signs that suggest your ex-boyfriend may eventually return. 1. He is in a new relationship. You may find yourself wondering how your ex-boyfriend could enter a new relationship so quickly. It might seem like he has moved on after just a few weeks, but this new relationship could actually be a rebound. Experts suggest that people often get into rebound relationships after a breakup as a way to cope with the pain. 2. He is dating someone who is opposite to you. If your ex-boyfriend is dating someone who is the complete opposite of you, it's likely he's trying to move on. After a breakup, exes often choose to date someone very different from their former partner in an attempt to cope with the pain. Being with someone unlike their ex can help them in the process of getting over the relationship. 3. Active social media. If he's still liking and commenting on all your posts, there's a good chance he hasn't moved on yet. He wouldn't be so engaged with your social media if he didn't still have feelings for you. Additionally, if he's suddenly posting a lot of party pictures, it could be a sign that he's trying to appear as though he's moved on, even if he hasn't. 4. He still has your things. If neither of you has returned each other's belongings, it leaves some unfinished business between you. If he still has your things, it suggests that he hasn't moved on and may still have feelings for you. Holding on to your belongings is a clear sign that he wants to keep a part of you close and that he's still in love with you. 5. He is the same. If your ex-boyfriend isn't exploring new things in life, it could mean he's still hung up on you. However, if he's learning a new language, visiting new places, or even changing his hairstyle, it's a sign he's moving on. He would only keep things the same if he's still in love with you. Otherwise, these changes suggest he's ready to move forward. 6. He is not moving on. Moving on isn't just symbolic. It can also be reflected in visible actions. If he's distancing himself by moving away from where you live or work, or cutting ties with mutual friends, it's a clear sign he's trying to move forward with his life. Creating physical distance suggests he no longer wants you in his life. However, if he's keeping things as they were, there might still be a chance that he's considering coming back to you. 7. He is still in touch with you. If you're still texting and calling each other, it's a sign that he may still have feelings for you and isn't ready to move on. However, if he has cut off all contact, it indicates that he no longer wants to be with you. Creative ways to tell your woman you want sex. It can be challenging to express your desire for sex to your partner without risking coming across as awkward or overly forward. Many people hold back from sharing their feelings, fearing they'll be judged for their sexual desires. However, if you prefer not to be direct, there are plenty of creative ways to let your partner know you're interested in intimacy. To help those struggling with this, here are some inventive ways to subtly suggest to your woman that you're in the mood for some steamy action. 1. Hold hands. Holding hands is a wonderful way to show your partner that her touch brings you comfort. Interlocking your fingers with hers conveys that you appreciate her presence and touch. For an added touch, hold hands for an extended period, even in public, not just when you're alone. This gesture will help her feel that you deeply desire her intimacy. 2. Admire her features. When your partner dresses up beautifully for you, make sure to compliment her and let her know how stunning she looks. This not only boosts her confidence, but also highlights the thoughtfulness of your gestures. Occasionally, you might gently place your hand on her lower waist and watch as she responds with pleasure and contentment. 3. Flowers. Flowers are a vibrant expression of romance and can set the mood even in the bedroom. Choose fragrant flowers that smell delightful, as they can serve as a subtle aphrodisiac for both of you. You might also scatter flower petals on the bed at night. There's nothing more romantic than this to enhance the ambience. 4. Sticky notes. If expressing your feelings openly isn't your style, sticky notes can be a great alternative. Place them in various spots around the house, like on the bathroom mirror with a message like, "I can't wait to see what's underneath the silky clothes," or on the kitchen counter saying, "I want you." These little notes can definitely stir up excitement and anticipation. 5. Gift her lingerie. Surprise your partner with a lingerie set and leave it on the bed for her to discover later. It's a provocative and enticing way to show her that you're eager for intimacy and excited to see her in that alluring lingerie. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.